Probably 2005.
2005. Got a 2005 Honda Rancher here. I'm going to pull the carburetor out of it and rebuild her. And if you want, you can come along for the ride. Alright, so far we've just loosened the little clamp here for the air box. Pushed it back out of the way. And we're trying to get this, I think is the choke cable that we're trying to get loose here.
I'll have to get it from this. You get it from that side.
Is it attached down in there, or is it going to come out?
It's gonna cut. I think.
Alright, there's the choke cable out of the way. I think they gave us a new one of those too. I think we might have a new piece for in there with the carb kit. So
we have to do the same thing with this one, or
that one? I think we have to take the little side panel apart, if I remember right. This little black thing comes. We got the little carburetor out of there. Here's the kit that we got. Holy shit! Holy shit! What do you think about that?
I don't know.
Are you laughing over there?
Yeah.
I'm freaked out, man. Are you freaked out?
Sure.
Holy shit! Look at all those little friggin' pieces, man. I don't know what was it. Look, thingamabob that goes next to the thingamabob. Shit! Alright, we're gonna take this puppy apart here. Yes, got the float bowl off. It's just 4 screws. It's real easy. So you gotta kind of loosen them a little bit at a time. You don't want to tweak your carburetor bowl. I think we got a new one of those gaskets, I hope.
Yeah, it's in there.
Doesn't look as thick as this one. Huh. Well, we'll try it. We'll try it. We'll worry about that later. Look at all the gunk down in there. Yucky. That is not supposed to be there.
King zone.
It goes this way. There we go.
I'm sure you guys can't tell, but this is really intense.
Alright, there's the pin for the float. And you want to be careful when you take this. It's stuck on me. Oh, it's the needle and seat are stuck in there. That's what rides on the float, and it's holding it in. You don't want to break your float. It's just little plastic tabs that hold it. So it's kind of a tricky situation here. Alright, we're going to set that aside. We'll clean that up. There's the nasty choochified needle. The gunk and stuff on it. Get out of here. Alright. Need a flathead for that. Set this stuff aside in case something's not the right piece by chance. I believe this piece is the main jet that we just pulled out. And I think this one is the pilot that we're about to pull out. I'm not 100% certain, but that's what I think. We're going to dump this one. Should have a spare one of those too. Pull this rubber thing out so we don't melt it with the carb cleaner, the rubber pluggy there. I don't know if we've got a new seat or not, and I don't know how to get that out. If we do, I'd leave it in there. Just swirl around. Are you getting high over here? Getting a little buzz going? You got trying to get that monkey chooch out of there. How's it taste?
Like ass.
A little tangy. Got a little wang in it. Yeah, we got these little bits floating there, loose in there, so it's good. You gotta get that junk out of there. I've got to take this top thing off here. I'm sure it has a proper name, and I don't really give a flying farg what it's called. Oh, it's magnetic. Nice, fancy screwdrivers. Here, take those out of there. These four-wheelers get left sitting too long, and this stuff forms because of the ethanol in the gas, which is garbage anyways. There's no real point to it. It takes more energy to produce ethanol than we get out of it, and it uses food, corn, to produce. So tell me why it's a good idea. You think it's a good idea?
You asking me?
Yeah.
No.
I am now. I wasn't before. I was just kind of talking in general. You don't think it's a good idea either? I definitely don't think it's a good idea. Though if I had a diesel, I would try and run it on vegetable oil, because I think that's pretty cool. It's not that I'm against alternative fuels, it's just I think that ethanol's a waste. Oh, it's like a little snake in the box thing there, jumping out at you. Alright, this is why we gotta take this apart. We are on no alcohol or drugs, I promise. This thing will just get melted by the carb cleaner, so we gotta get it out of there, and we're gonna replace this thing in addition, so with a nice shiny one. So I think we've got all the plastic except for this little idle adjustment thing, which we're not really worried about. I think all the plastic and O-rings and shit are out of there. So we're just gonna douche it with this carb cleaner over here. We're just gonna douche it, put it in like all the little holes. There's like little air holes and shit inside everywhere, and it's gonna spray out in our eyes and stuff, which is why Steven's gonna do it. And I'm gonna film it and laugh my ass off when his eyes stinging. So here he goes. We're gonna go outside and do this, I think. So. Oh man, air conditioner's making a difference, isn't it?
Yeah.
Notice the form here, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like he's trying to curtsy or something. Oh, he's wearing Crocs too. It's going to burn up his toe skin. Doing any good over there? It's gonna you'll be all right. It's gonna get you. I mean, there's a gurgling out of there. Look at there. Get a little closer here. I'm getting brave. It's gonna get me in the eye.
You ready? Should I
Sure.
hit this thing up here too?
Sure. Yeah, every little orifice you can find, and there's little tiny like air holes inside there that you need to get to, like inside through the throat. You'll see like little air holes here and there.
Yeah.
Just anything you can get a little bit of fluid in, just squirt it in there. And this is my dinner. This is my dinner. I'm getting ready to eat. The stuff that looks like vomit.
It's just vegetable juice.
It's really tasty.
This is very sweet. That's not bad.
So there's a lot of carrots in this, but we're juicing. We're on a juice
Mine
fast.
will be really green.
This is my dinner. It's all I've had for, this is my second day, almost 2 days now. My lovely wife is doing the juice fast with me, trying to lose some weight. We're diabetic. We're trying to heal ourselves. Look at the frothy head.
This the whole time. All right, I'm going to make mine.
Okay, honey. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was fucking gross. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I love this shit. Hey, man. When you don't eat for 2 days, it becomes delicious. Let me take a turn so your hand doesn't fall off.
Oh!
I gotta drink my juice anyways. I'll take a break if you want, and I'll hose it down here in a second. Won't hurt. Won't hurt it to soak. Is any green stuff coming out?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Talking about this?
No, the just out of the carburetor, like
Oh,
gunk.
there's green in there. I don't know what it is.
That's just the color of it, huh?
Yeah.
You get it on all 4 of those. Okay, you're getting them now. You gotta douche them though. You gotta nail it in there. You gotta watch your eyes when you do it. Yeah, now that's how we're doing it. Yeah, clean that crap out of there. Now we're getting her. Jesus, did you see what he just did, ladies and gentlemen? He just douched me with that stuff. It's nasty. He sprayed me with a shit. He just called my dinner vomit. What a son of a bitch.
Yeah, it's big time. Middle fingers are starting.
Cool.
Am I right?
Just set it somewhere clean, and I'll get it in a second here. And then you can videotape and make fun of me.
Here's how a vagina does it.
Yeah. My fingers and hands are dry enough. You can see, well, I just wash them so they're wet, but my skin's really dry. It doesn't need to be any worse. Hope I don't break this. There we go. Let's go and finish this up. Getting that little brass thing in there.
Yeah, I tried to.
Actually, it doesn't look like it has a hole in it, does it?
I sprayed around everywhere. Whoops.
Some chooch in there. Like that word? There's some crud down there.
Ready to go back together, or you just not getting it apart?
We're just hosing it out good. That was the eyeball.
Oh! Hey!
Hit ya?
No, but you're...
We got your hair on you.
Alright, off camera we had a mechanic come in and put it back together for us because we don't know what the hell we're doing. Now all we did was just take those little pieces out and put the new ones in, and you know, mindful of the O-rings because we left one out and we had to go back. So this is what it looks like back together, and in a minute here we'll see if it runs, I guess. And if it didn't, it's his fault. He screwed it up, so I told him not to, but he did anyways. Alright, we put her back together. Moment of truth. If it doesn't run, it's his fault. I told him not to screw it up. Chokage. Go ahead and hit the button.
Amazing. One little thing. I'm not listening.
Time to ride. Need the idle turned up a little bit, maybe?
Yeah, I think so. You're standing right. I don't think it's going to reach over there. Up 4 on.
Nah, don't start this shit. All right. What do you think about that, Ron? Oh, son of a bitch is dying again. Hit the throttle over there. Got her going. That's the one in the front there that we worked on. It seems to be running good. Should have brought my machete. I left my machete at home. Go in the pocket with the camera. Need the chainsaw? What? Need the chainsaw? It's gonna take a chainsaw?
That's where it's blocked off because I came all the way down there from the other end. I got this little breaker.
Hey guys. swamp us in the cabbage.